The museum and the Sphere are partnering to have some immersive activities all across the floor. So here at the Discovery Children's Museum, one of the things that we believe is that we learn best when we play. So our students, our kiddos are coming here. They're going to be exploring hands-on science and hands-on art. This is all designed to help them explore these tools in a playful and mindful way. But guess what? Just because you're an adult doesn't mean you wouldn't enjoy it too.
So this is our first time at the museum and it's been an amazing experience. The Sphere exhibit is amazing. Was a wonderful surprise to see it here today. And we're having a good time just learning about all the technology and all the effort and work that went into creating this Sphere and creating these wonderful presentations that they put on for Vegas.
My favorite thing is they're actively learning. They're using their hands to learn different things. They're engaging with other kids. They're socializing, and there's always something different to learn. So it's never the same thing. They get to see new things all the time.
I never flew a drone in my whole life. I'm really excited to fly one. I love coming to this museum and I have so much fun playing here.
My favorite part was just making sure the kids had a smile on their face, making the little Orbeez. Everyone had a different, unique design on them.
We're really thankful for the partnership between Discovery and the Sphere. Both of our organizations believe in the importance of immersion. Storytelling is part of the Sphere, and storytelling is part of Discovery. Here we believe we can take art and science, combine them, and create limitless possibilities for education.
And we're really excited to announce that we won 4 tickets to go to the Sphere. It's gonna be our first time ever going to the Sphere, and it's really cool for us because it's a full circle moment. We did her birth announcement here at the Discovery Children's Museum when she was still in her mom's belly. So we're really excited to be able to go to the Sphere and represent Discovery Children's Museum. And we really want to say thank you so much for giving our family this amazing opportunity.
I had so much fun today. Thank you.